In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a GoDaddy domain on Shopify. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting and using your GoDaddy domain on Shopify is a very simple process. You can do it directly through your admin dashboard for Shopify. So go to shopify.com, log into your page, and access your dashboard. When you are on the dashboard for your website, click on the settings at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you will find the domains category on here at the left-sided menu. It is going to be between apps and sales channels and then customer events. Immediately upon clicking domains, you will see the usual domain that you have from Shopify itself, and now you have the option to connect an existing domain. So I'm going to assume that you already own the domain that you want through GoDaddy itself. So click this option, Connect Existing Domain. Immediately you will get the opportunity to type the domain that you wish to add to Shopify. All that you have to do to use GoDaddy domain on Shopify is to type it here and then click Next. Now, you have to follow these instructions listed here. You will notice that when you click on this option, you will be redirected and there will be a bunch of information here. I highly recommend that you take your time carefully to understand this process, and you also review the GoDaddy transfer policy. For the most part, it is very straightforward, and as long as you can verify your identity by signing into your GoDaddy account, you will be good to go. But I recommend that you read through this either way. You can click on GoDaddy over here and you will be redirected to their website if you need additional help, but like I said, it is straightforward. After you are aware of all of this, click Verify Connection and the IP is going to be checked alongside other information. If everything was configured on the GoDaddy dashboard properly, both domains will be connected and it is going to appear under this list. Make sure that you finish this process through the GoDaddy website, and as long as the domain is owned by you, it is going to get linked as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to use GoDaddy domain on Shopify. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.